I had to film all of the great options that this toy store had. Like, look at how cute and fun everything looked. And of course, I had to try everything out for myself as well. Why not? Some more fidgets, some tangles. Dope slime. Classic slimes. You've got your little Top Trend Squishmallows area, some keychains, tangles, fluffy tangles. And of course, I played around in the store on the different sensory mats and such that they had. I was just having a blast, to be honest with you. Playing with the games they left out. All around, I think I had a ball, so